What, we're to the top and I nearly fall off on fucking rut. Yeah, that's right, mate. We'll walk. That's fucking gnarly, is that track. Keep your feet down, paddle, clutch. We'll walk you, we'll push you. That's it, gentle speed. Oop. It's alright, mate, don't worry. You know, don't worry about it. Don't worry.
That's what it's all about, isn't it?
Yeah. Tell you what, I'm fucking glad we come up this. Could knock down it. It'd have been a lot harder coming down. No, it weren't, but it'd be fucking easy coming down. Easier than coming down. That fucking first boulder garden here, that'd have fucking been off. Yeah, it's a bit jaggedy and stuff, but don't worry, you'll make it, mate. It's just like riding over a speed bump. Honestly, you've made it this far. This last 10 fucking metres here is the hardest section. And you've made it to fucking 5 metres less than where it's proper. This is the gnarly hardest bit, mate, so you're doing good. I'll move that big rock out the front now. Sit back, I'll throw a stone in it. You got him? Ready, mate? We're with you. Ready? That's it. Yeah, have a minute.
Because this bit we should just be able to just ride at it and just go.
So take your time. You can almost see a straight line. Yeah?
Sticking to the left.
Whew. We'll walk with you again, mate. Leave it in gear and knock it off, mate. Yeah. That's it. Come. Well done, mate. That is a very, very good effort, that.
It is.
Well done. Get fucking state of that, you've just nailed it. That makes Salter Fell look like a cricket pitch. Impressed, mate, well done.
You jumping on?
A bit gnarly, isn't it?
It is gnarly.
Pedaling, that's it, just pedaling. escaped.
I'm coming. Just coming past you. I'm just going on in front. I'm going to come back down in a minute and walk up with you. Just want to make sure it's not any fucking worse. Level ground. Oh mate.
Right, do you want to wait here?
Uh-huh. Yeah mate. I think what we'll do when we get out of this lane, we'll you know, it's a long way down, isn't it? We will we'll just head straight for digs.
Yeah, can do.
Because it's got to be
An hour.
yeah, we've got to be a while getting off here yet, so
I'd give you a back up, but I've taken my pegs off. Honest, that's the only reason I'm not giving you a back up.
right, I'm gonna wait here.
Yeah, mate.
Come on up, Andy, your time is now. As fuck, mate, I don't want to put anyone in something they don't want to do, me included. Coming up. It's not a bad little lane, that's good. It's no worse than that descent what we've just done though. There is a couple of steps on the way down. They're not big, they're only a little thing, but you can see where water's tracking through them. You can roll off them, so it's not that bad. Still good? Good. Tell you what, in all honesty, I'd forgot what this fucking lane was like. I just remember the river crossing and this bit. Forgot all about that bit at the beginning. That's it, we're out. Well, we've just got the river crossing at the bottom, but you're out of this bit. Can't be any worse, can it? Here's the water crossing. Keep it going, lovely, yes mate. Fucking get him, boys! Fucking nailed it. Do you know what? It was deep. That was deep, but it was dead smooth on bottom. Which is why I didn't say anything for you coming through. Just go. Fucking happy days. Ooh. Right, let's see what the rest of it brings, because I can't fucking remember. I reckon we're going out up that road though. It's at digs now, chaps. No more fucking tomfoolery. We've done enough.